and I really do adore you. You're getting so big now, and you're making me so proud, cause you were such a star. Cause nothing even matters. My angel.
But it wasn't about that. Best part about him being here.
Right, let's get the
Somebody
bag.
in bed with me. Just to wake up.
And then you can set your little thing up and have your clients talk about their experience.
Get back to growth faster and stay productive.
Collaborative.
Connected. Reimagine business as usual.
The fact that I did all of this so far changed my path in life forever. And I don't ever have to be an ideal weight in Liam's eyes because he's seen what I'm willing to do for him. And he's proud of me.
I'm like, did she ever lose the weight though? Like,
at this point, I don't think Benny has any intention to change anything in her lifestyle. I don't know.
I texted right away and said, Lucas! Yeah, you like pranking each other like that.
ooh, can't tell me nothing.
I'm tired and I'm bored.
Yes, I love
And
them.
I have to live like this the rest of my life.
He's gonna be jealous.
How did I get here? And is it too late to change this?
Dang, I ain't gonna wear this that long. Oh, this is so cute.
My weight makes things a lot harder on me. It's hard for me to breathe.
Since I've been pregnant, I haven't been able to wear weave because I'm highly allergic. So finding protective styles that will last long are so important. Being a realtor, from being pregnant and being in COVID, I try my best not to let my hair be another obligation or stressor. So I decided to try a new protective style. These are mini braids with triangle parts and I love them. My stylist is so amazing. She works fast and her work is always very clean. Make sure you guys check her out on Instagram. Just go to @groovyhair. I just love my hair. Even a few days later, this style was just so amazing because the older it got, the cuter it got. I was able to add some water to my braids, which made the ends really curly and made it look even more natural, like more effortless. And I absolutely love this style. I kept it in over a little bit over a month, and it was very low maintenance. I could wear some half up, half down. I could wear it in a ponytail. It was just such an easy style, especially being on the go. So I would definitely suggest this style if you are a naturalista like me and you want to find healthier options for your hair. It's really a great option. You can put oil in it to put that in your scalp and help it grow. I definitely can say after I took these braids out, my hair was even longer than before.